Is specialized hardware pathing failed due to the DDHID 4061632 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we walk through the DDHID 4061632 troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the DDHID 4061632, associated with specialized industrial or medical 32-bit hardware drivers. It manages the low-level data link for specific USB and serial interface cards. Its absence prevents the control software from detecting the hardware, often resulting in a device not found notification on 64-bit systems. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of specialized hardware to repair the core installation and restore the necessary DDHID 4061632 DLL component. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered DDHID 4061632 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the error persists after a restart, your graphics driver environment is likely corrupted. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, in safe mode to completely wipe the existing driver metadata. Once the system is clean, install the latest driver suite from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to restore the healthy version of your DLL file. Why are we doing this? Well, overwritten driver files often leave ghost metadata that blocks new installations. A DDU wipe ensures a clean environment where the driver can properly register its DLL components. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of DDHID 4061632 DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing DDHID 4061632 and system behavior. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix DDHID 4061632. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.